8 Olympic gold medals, most successful team ever in the Olympics, and the only team to win the hockey event at the Olympics without conceding a single goal in 1928 and 1956. Such is the stature and the list of achievements of the Indian men's hockey team. And yes, you guessed it right, the Indian men are off to Tokyo once again to represent our nation. Welcome to another episode by The Bridge. In these episodes, we will highlight and preview all the athletes heading to Tokyo, one sport at a time. Today, as you've guessed it by now, I'm going to be covering the hockey team, men and women. But before we do a deep dive, if you are here, do like the video, even subscribe to the channel. It only helps The Bridge grow and pump out more relatable and entertaining content related to sports and the Olympics coming up just for you. So I'll give you a second. Do hit those buttons. It would help this channel grow in a great way.
For more latest news from the sports multiverse, please like, share and subscribe The Bridge and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification.
But without further ado, let us do a deep dive into the Indian hockey contingent. Legacy that comes with the Indian men's hockey team. This summer, 10 debutants coupled with ample of experience in our senior players head off to Tokyo to try to maintain and uplift that honor. As soon as they step on the blue turf in Tokyo later this month, the world-ranked number 4 side, India, is going to try their best to live up to the massive legacy set by their predecessors. Who are the players to watch? What does the squad look like? Let's get into that. Now from the squad, a couple of people to keep your eye out for are, let's start with our veteran goalkeeper, Srijesh. This veteran sentinel of a goalkeeper has been guarding India's nets for a few years now and shows no signs of slowing down. PR Srijesh will be making his third advent at the Olympics in Tokyo. He is an impervious wall, crazy enough to carry hopes of billions on his shoulders. Srijesh has underlined his dominance by denying the best of the best when they have tried to pass him. There's no arguing with the fact that with Srijesh as our last line of defense, our goal is safe, and a medal brought back home would be an ode to this ever-incessant guard. Next, let's take a look at Manpreet. Midfielder and captain of the Indian men's hockey team. Much like Srijesh, this seasoned player will be marking his presence for the third time in the Olympics. Indian hockey has had some amazing and successful feats under his leadership, and it will be interesting to watch India striving to recoup from their lost legacy and glory when they are in such good form. Next we have Rupinder. The seasoned drag flicker believes in playing simple hockey rather than being too dramatic. Rupinder is all set to make up for the lost opportunities. This 30-year-old defender, from overcoming depression to giving up on the sport after the 2018 Asian Games fiasco, has seen it all. And mind you, he has always come back stronger. Nicknamed Bob in the Indian team, Rupinder Pal Singh will be a sight to watch in the Tokyo Olympics because he is not just a story of success on the field, but beyond it as well. And finally, we have a name that might be familiar to the younger crowd. He is Mandeep Singh. Let me tell you a little more about him. As India played match after match after match and rose to its highest ever ranking in the world of hockey, striker Mandeep Singh starred in a lot of them. This 26-year-old forward hails from Jalandhar and is sometimes seen to be running faster than the ball. He will be one such player to shine in Tokyo and may even dribble past all obstacles and steer India to a gold medal. Make sure you watch out for him. And folks, on the topic of hockey, I have to dedicate the second half of this video to the other half of the hockey contingent of India, the women's team. Now, I don't know if you know how the Indian women's team qualified, but for people who followed hockey, it's hard to look past that Rani Rampal goal that sealed us a berth at the Tokyo Olympics. It was the dying minutes of a match versus USA. Rani Rampal shakes off a defender, turns, swivels towards the goal and roofs the ball through a crowd of chaotic defenders straight into the USA net, and India win on aggregate. I mean, I just got goosebumps thinking of that. But that has been the story of this Indian women's hockey team. This side is ranked number 9, but can beat any single team on their given day. And the fact that they're pegged as underdogs gives them a little more of an edge. So you need to watch out for the Indian women's hockey team in Tokyo. Meet your team. Let's look at all the players flying to Tokyo for this event. Now, I did mention Rani Rampal a while earlier, so let me tell you a little more about her. The 26-year-old captain of the Indian women's hockey team will be making her second consecutive appearance in the Olympics. One cannot, by any stretch of the imagination, forget that goal against the USA, which led the Indian women's hockey team to the greatest games. All kudos to our captain, Rani Rampal. This clinical forward sometimes masquerades as a midfielder and will be one sight to watch when they step onto the hockey field. Moving on to our goalkeeper, Savita Punia. This 30-year-old guard has over the years established herself to be India's primary choice goalkeeper. Now, to Tokyo, she will be the lone active goalkeeper defending India's post. Savita Punia is one of the seasoned players in the team today and believe the team has travelled far in the last 5 years. India were new entrants in 2016, but with Savita and co will be keen to assert their dominance and bask in some glory come the Olympic Games. Here is another player to look out for, Deep Grace Ekka. The Sundargarh district of Orissa can be safely termed as the gold mine of Indian hockey. It houses the golden history of hockey in its pages and gives the nation players worth watching. One of the jewels from this crown is Deep Grace Ekka. Hockey runs in the blood of this 27-year-old defender, and with this ever-consistent wall in the backline, India carries hopes to give the nation a much better performance than last time around. She will definitely be a key to our success. And finally, the last player we think is worth watching at the Olympics, obviously they all are, but if you had to look out for one person on the field, it would be Sushila Chanu Kakrambam, and here's why. The most incessant midfielder has been consistent with her performance, doubling up with the opposition. The 29-year-old Sushila Chanu has been the former captain and led India to the Olympics in Rio 2016. So she's clearly a veteran of the Indian team. With more than 150 appearances for the Indian team, Chanu's experience is worth the goal in Tokyo and has not only a chance to create history at the Olympics but can forever bury the remnants of Rio. So there you have it, a good roundup of the Indian men's and women's hockey team. Hockey, you guys, is our national sport. It is worth celebrating as we do with any other sport. So I hope, and we all at the Bridge hope, that you will tune in to these hockey matches at the Olympics. And you guys, wait for future episodes. Until then, stay safe and see you soon.